I'm in the Loop, a short walk from Millennium Park and the fabulous Riverwalk, steps from Macy's and State Street shops, from downtown theaters, Daily Plaza, and a wide variety of restaurants. I'm headed across the street for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments at Marquee at Block 37. Marquee is a pet-friendly, high-amenity building with a large rooftop fitness center that includes a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment. The landscaped sky terrace outside the fitness center has a hot tub and sweeping skyline views. The pool deck overlooks Daily Plaza and has private cabanas, grilling areas, and a dog run. Another outdoor terrace overlooks State Street. Resident lounge areas have coffee service and include a space with gaming tables, a comfortable media room, and a separate space for hosting events. The apartments have indoor access to the Block 37 shops, dine-in movie theaters and restaurants, and to the CTA Red and Blue Line stops and the underground pedway system. I'm looking at the foyer of apartment 1911, an unusually spacious one-bedroom. Plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment, coat closet off to the right as you would have entered. Continuing further along the right is a full-size stacked washer-dryer. Then a galley-style kitchen that's open to this bright living dining area with floor-to-ceiling windows. It's a breakfast bar peninsula, white quartz counters, stainless steel appliance package includes a 4-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, a dishwasher of course, and since we're in a Sweet Home Chicago apartment, there's a welcoming kit, countertop appliances, and all the cookware, cutlery, glassware, dishes, etc. that you're going to need to feel right at home and feel comfortable in staying a while. This is really a great room, and those floor-to-ceiling windows and high ceilings really expand the space. The heart of the theater district here, and I'm looking out on Randolph Street and the Niederlander Theater just below. There's a wing window here looking out to the west, and a great nook for a home office setup. A terrific room, unusually large for downtown Chicago. Heading toward the bedroom and bath. The bath is a wide vanity with bank of drawers for storage, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and a wide walk-in shower. Bedroom again has floor-to-ceiling windows. There's a second flat-panel TV. Attractive furnishings. And a walk-in closet with additional linens and a laundry basket. Sweet Home Chicago at Marquee at Block 37 offers a sweet deal in a terrific location in a building with just really over-the-top great amenities. Really belongs high on your must-see list